is Daisy. And look at, there's her mom. Remember Barbie? Out in the pasture before she had her calf. That's her baby. Okay, push her this way.
No.
Just slow down. Just slow down.
You're not going back. You're going in with your mom.
There you go, baby. Look it. There you go. Back with mom. That wasn't hard, was it?
Nope.
Excellent. Oh, here he goes. Let's just leave him out. Well, yeah, go ahead. Let's see if we can push him back. There you go, buddy. Whoa. Going back into mama. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good work, Olivia. Thank you. Nicely done. So this is, yeah, Clementine, one of our riding cows. We clipped her the other day because she was very hairy and it's hot out. How are you doing, Clemmy? Huh? So we put some copper tox on it. We just squirted in here in her foot. And they get foot rot. You can see. And this will help. Ooh, take a little copper tox and squirt it right there. And there she goes. And now, let's see how she walks, Olivia. Gonna take her for a little walk. He likes Olivia a lot. So you can see she's still limping a little bit on that right rear foot. So we have to keep up the treatment. You can come on back, Olivia. Okay. Good old Clemmy. Hey, little guy. Gonna come over and say good morning? Huh? Let's see if he can figure out how. Nope, went right by the opening there. Oh, there's two of them out. Look at that. They both got out. The one we just put back and this other one. Little rascals. Went right back in. Gonna go in? Let's see. There she goes back in. There she goes. Or he goes right back in. Oh, that one missed the gate. And then here's one that's still inside with her mom. That's Willow and Kelsey. I think she's waiting over there expectantly. Look at that. Clemmy's a very special cow. Olivia used to ride her when she was just